everybody, welcome to our fabulous new Highlight Crafts launch of seasonal surprises. To make sure I've got my teeth in to say that because I keep getting a little bit tongue-tied. These are our new incredible Wibblers characters. Oh, they're adorable. So let me show you some of these samples. Now we always know, and I know I say this when the design team have had a lot of fun, and they really have had a lot of fun. Look at these. Oh my, isn't that adorable? There they are. There's our lovely little new characters. So we've got our reindeer. Hello, Mr. Reindeer. We've got our badger, and we've got our lovely little hedgehog with this fabulous trio on the seasonal surprises. Now, obviously you can see that we've got a wreath there as well, but that is the SVG side of it. That's the SVG file. These are the dies. They are lovely characters, aren't they? The colourway is beautiful. So that's one of them. So let me share. Oh, wow. Now, they've had a lot of fun with this. Look at this. I love on this one that our lovely Vicky that's done this for us, Vicky Deakin, has done all of the actual pieces, but in the back, she's used it and created an aperture with all those mats and layers going on, and then the scene in the background as well. But just tearing along the edge has left it really nice and soft. Now, all those lovely little characters can be tucked in along there, so it's like the snow has drifted. So I love that one. Now, somebody likes their glitter. Let's have our lovely Lou. You've got to have glitter on this one, haven't you? Isn't that just brilliant? Now, on this one of my favourite, the bow. The Craftmaster bow is on here, which is one of the things that you will have seen with the collection. And then we have our wreath, and we have our lovely little character on that one. So yes, absolutely, get all your glitters and everything out. It is the season for glitter. I know she had an incident with some sparkly stuff the other day that she posted. That made me giggle. So, and then, look at this. Aren't these lovely? It's almost like a present in itself, isn't it? To open something like that, why would you not want to gift something that looks so beautiful? And you're also getting, like I said, in the class that I've just done, this is like a ribbon rose. I know it's supposed to be a candy cane, like sweetie pop lolly roll thing, but that, to me, when you get up close and you look at the artwork, it's almost like it's a ribbon rose that's been folded and twisted together. So that's just a couple of the samples. I'm going to take you through what the collection is. Look what we have here. Here we have our Woodland Wibblers. Now, super special. The artwork is incredible. Look, aren't they just lovely? And then you're also still getting the double-sided elements. Now, when you cut your or print your double-sided, I'm going to suggest that when we do it, normal for printing for our decoupage with our dies and everything is 240, 250 GSM. Now, when I do the double-sided, I print these onto 140 GSM cardstock, because once you've folded on that line, that score line, and you send it through your machine, you're actually cutting 280 GSM cardstock, okay? So that's quite a substantial amount of paper for your dies to cut through. So I always print it on a lighter weight, and it makes it a little bit easier as well to work with when you've done that. So there are characters. Now we have... I'm a sucker for you. Isn't that amazing? Sweeties, look at these. 2 different sizes. And if you've got your SVGs and your Minecraft Studio, you know that it already comes in different colorways. So you're going to be able to print those off and use them. So we've got the larger one and the smaller one. We've flipped the smaller one, so it's a different orientation, and you're getting that lovely matte layer. And as I said before, our double-sided printability, which is brilliant. Then you get this absolutely glorious wreath. It's stunning. It's almost like it's an actual bouquet on your, like a floral element. So all these have been put into Oasis. It gives me that feel. And then the branches have been brought up and around. Not necessarily a wreath as such, but absolutely cut multiples out, layer them on top of each other and rotate it round. So you get your matte layer as well with this, and you're getting a couple of pieces of decoupage to add to it. So that is the wreath. And then you've got something really special in this as well that you can use. So this is our nested jumper, which is phenomenal. It is all different sizes, so you're right down to a teeny weeny one. Now, working alongside Minecraft Studio and also with the dies, you can create some phenomenal little images, and also you can use your Minecraft Studio to bring in your own elements. So imagine having an image and then putting your dad's face on the front of a jumper with his party hat that he had last Christmas. This has got a lot it's got a lot coming for it. So stay tuned for what's coming for this, because throughout the year we're going to be using it a lot in lots of different ways. So it's going to be really fun and exciting. That's going to be one of those that you're going to keep on your desk and use again and again. So that's our lovely nested jumper. So that's Craftmaster. But look, all these sizes, and you get the pegs. I forgot you get the pegs, so you can make a washing line with them. So maybe it's a new arrival or something like that. Or you want to make a washing line of Christmas jumpers where you've got dad, mum, and then the youngsters as well. So again, going down in sizes. So we've actually printed off the plain one. When you see the USB that's with this, there's lots and lots and lots of different colourways, all different types of jumpers. But we've done this one just so you can see. And then think about bringing in your little characters and sitting them on the front as well. So here is the gathering. So there are lovely gatherings. So that, if I bring this in, these are going to sit beautifully on front of your jumper. And because we've got the little ones, you can even scale them down and have them with your littler ones as well. Then we've got the Craftmaster bow. Now this really is, now where's that sample that I just had with the bow on? I just need to share it again with you. Where have you gone? It's here. So that's one, but look at this one. So that's one, and it's using the papers that you can get as well, or even create your own bow papers. Look at that. That is a beautiful bow. Glitter on the edges. It's almost like it fits like it's material. It could be, you know, it's not cardstock. It feels like it could be a real fabric bow. But then also, using your metal shim in your machine, you can cut it out of material. Absolutely you can. So these could be fabric bows. Stabilise them, cut them out, and then put them on little girls' headbands. So another way of using them. So that's the Craftmaster bow. And then you also get our lovely box. Now, I'm hoping that there's a sample. Yes, it is. I'll share that with you in a second. That's a surprise. So we've got our Craftmaster box. Again, fabulously designed because you're getting the artwork and the lid sits on perfectly. So again, lots of nested sizes. So once you've made your box or you've printed your box, you can put that lovely 3D bow on there as well. So that is the full collection for our lovely new launch. So then let me just show you again. So here's the one that we just had with the bow. So here's some of that's the bow, and then we've got the nested boxes. We've got the lollipop in here as well, and we've got our lovely little characters all surrounding the jumper, okay? And we've even got a little bit of the wreath in here as well. So that's that one. Using just acetate as a support. Your wreath doesn't have to be a wreath. You can switch it round and use it in different orientations, which is lovely because that's created really lovely balance to this card. So that's another idea. Then we have washing line. Look at that. How amazing is that? So Christmas morning, all the jumpers have been opened out of their boxes. We've got a few in there that have still to be worn. And then we've got a washing line on the top, which is just brilliant. Again, just really fun thing to use. And then we have, I'm saving that till last, Minecraft Studio, as always. Isn't that just beautiful? That to me is like a particular high street brand of card that you can get at Christmas. Very clean, simple, just stunning. Then we bring back in more of them. Look, they're all there. There's our characters on the jumper. And because, excuse me, you can add in those. So you can either use your stamps, maybe you stamp in with your sticky inks, and then you're using your embossing powders on here. Love, love, love. But let me share this. This has been, when this arrived, it made everybody squeal. So this is, oh, look. Oh, sorry. Oh, ready? Are you ready? There we go. They're inside the box. So that's using our lovely slider mechanism as well. So aren't they adorable? Just love, love, love. So then finally, let's go over to the computer so we can quickly run through what you're actually getting on here. So you're getting your scene building, you're getting your reflections, you're getting your digi-stamps and your backgrounds as well. So as always with your reflections, when you're using Minecraft Studio, to be able to print these off, even just something very clean and simple. You've got all the characters and you've got those extra elements to be able to work with. So you've got all your colorways as well. So both of your colorways are here on Minecraft Studio. When we go to the reflections, you have got, there's the double-sided, that's what I was talking about, where you score in the middle, but print that off onto a smaller GSM. And again, you get the multiple colorways as well. So there's the blue, and you also get the multiple colorways. So they're all your reflections for your dies ready for you to use. You also get those beautiful digi-stamps. Aren't they incredible? Now print that off on just 80 GSM. So just print a paper, and you can use that with your light board and your foiling pen and foil through, which would be just fabulous to add very simple black and white cards and that touch of foiling on them. And then we've also given you 15 of our fabulous backgrounds. Let me get a new piece. So you've got printed pieces that have got sheets of the elements on, but also then, I love that one that's a bit Scandi. This one has got that imagery from the candy cane. I keep calling it a candy cane. It's just swirly sweet, really. There again, we've got our decoupage pieces in here. We always love a little bit of tartan at Christmas. And we have cutesy little characters. Snowflakes, we've got lots on here. So that gives you 15 incredible backing papers for you to work with as well. So just a little bit of an overview of an incredible launch that we've got coming to you. So, let me just move this out the way. So just incredible for you all. So you're going to get your SVGs, you're going to get your dies and your Minecraft Studio all in that bundle together. So thank you very much for coming along and joining me for the new launch. I hope you really enjoy working with it. Show us your makes as always. So also get onto our social platforms and like, share and subscribe to us on YouTube along with our Instagram and Facebook pages. And we'll see you all real soon for another launch. Bye.
If you want to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to receive notifications of all of our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video or click here to see more videos like this one.